Yo, what's up guys? Andy here with another episode of Tap Lab, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to reorder your Instagram highlights. So right now we're on the Instagram app. We want to swipe over and we want to go to our profile tab in the bottom right. Once we're on our profile, we're talking about highlights. So we're talking about these circles here in the middle of the screen. Some people have a lot of highlights. If you have more, you'll be able to swipe through them, but basically our goal is to reorder them. Instagram hasn't made it easy to do this. You know, it'd be nice if you could just sort of hold down and drag them where you want, but you can't. So what we need to do in order to reorder them, basically you can bring anyone to the front. So if you have multiple, you're going to want to do them in order. And the way to do that is you want to hold down on this. I'm going to hold down on the one that says random. Then we want to go to edit highlight. And then we want to go to archive. And then we're just going to add another item to this highlight. So I'm just adding this one in the bottom right. And I'm going to hit done. So you can see that it's brought random to the front now. So I went ahead and reordered that. And then of course you just want to go back in, edit highlight, and remove the one that you added. You can hit done. And there we have random at the front now. So if I want to bring the deer one back to the front, I want to hold down on that, edit highlight, go to archive, add another item, hit done. And now the deer is in the front. And then you can go back in, edit highlight, and remove the item you added, hit done. You're good to go. So there you have it, how to reorder your Instagram highlights. Like I said, if you have like 5 of these here, you want to reorder multiple of them, just make sure you do them in order. You can bring whatever ones to the front that you want. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for daily videos. Drop a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Turn on post notifications, add me on Instagram, all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.